Once upon a time, in a lush, sun-kissed valley in Jamaica, there stood a magnificent apple tree that bore the sweetest yellow apples one could imagine. Towering high and strong, the tree had a thick trunk, its bark rough but wise. It whispered softly to the warm Caribbean breeze, sharing its stories with those who cared to listen. One bright afternoon, a 19-year-old boy named Thaddeus wandered into the valley, seeking solace from his bustling life in the nearby town. He often felt lost, unsure of his path, and today he longed for wisdom. As he strolled beneath the vivid blue sky, he stumbled upon the apple tree, its branches heavy with bright yellow fruit that gleamed in the sunlight, beckoning him closer. Intrigued, Thaddeus approached and noticed something peculiar. The tree seemed alive, its leaves rustling as if speaking. Tentatively, he placed his hand on the rough bark. "Hello?" he murmured, half afraid he was imagining things. To his astonishment, the tree replied, its voice deep and gentle. "Ah, young one, it is I, the apple tree. I have witnessed many seasons, and like you, I have roots that anchor me in this earth." Thaddeus's eyes widened. "You can talk?" "Indeed," the tree chuckled, "for all living things have voices, if only you listen. If you truly wish to know, I can share the secret of my roots and fruits." "Please," Thaddeus urged. The apple tree swayed gently. "My roots dig deep into the rich soil of this land, searching for nourishment and stability. They represent your past, the experiences and heritage that shape who you are. Though buried below the surface, they are strong and feed my branches, much like your family and community feed your spirit." Thaddeus pondered this, recalling his family's struggles and triumphs. "And what about your fruits?" he asked. "My fruits are my gifts to the world. Each yellow apple holds the essence of the sunshine, the rain, and the love I have nurtured. They symbolize your future, the dreams you have and the talents you cultivate. Remember, young one, just as my apples take time to grow ripe and sweet, your dreams will flourish with patience and care." With an epiphany dazzling in his mind, Thaddeus looked up at the vibrant yellow apples hanging from the branches. "So, if I nurture my roots, I can achieve my dreams?" "Exactly," the tree murmured, a sense of pride swelling in its voice. "Embrace your heritage, learn from it, and do not be afraid to share your gifts with the world." Filled with gratitude, Thaddeus plucked a yellow apple and took a bite. Its sweetness burst on his tongue, a reminder of the tree's wisdom. He smiled, feeling a newfound clarity. As he walked away, the tree's voice echoed in his heart, encouraging him to nurture his roots and pursue his dreams, for both would together yield the sweetest fruits of life.